To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below. Welcome back, detectives. You learned one whole letter. Do you remember what that letter was? It was the letter M. What did it say? Do you want to listen to my favorite alphabet song so that we can remember the letter M? Let's get started. Let's move our bodies. Ready, set, go. Are you guys ready to move your bodies and sing our alphabet song? Let's start singing. M, map, Woo! My brain worked so hard with that song. We have another letter that we need to find today. Do you think we can find it? You do? Do you remember who we have to ask for clues? You do? All right, let's call for him. Sound monster, sound monster, sound monster, sound monster. What are you doing in the tree? Oh, you know, just hanging out, picking apples. Well, come here. Do you have another clue for us? I do, and this one's a crazy story. Well, what is it about? It's about an alligator eating apples, so we have to go to the swamp for the hungry apple-eating alligator. Okay, let's trudge through the swamp. Ready? Oh, go through the swamp. I think I see the clue. Do you see it? I do see it. I'm gonna go grab it. Just a second. I'm back. I got it. It's a story. Alligator says that we need to listen for the ah sound. Do you guys think we can listen for the ah sound? Okay, thanks, sound monster. All right, let's read our story and let's listen for the ah sound. Every time you hear ah, I want you to pretend like you're picking an apple. Ah. Andy the alligator ate an absurd amount of apples. He ate so many apples that he turned himself into an apple. All he wants is to be an alligator again. Guess what I just found? I just found the letter A. Its name is A. Its sound is ah. Can you say ah? What are my lips doing? Ah. Ah. Ooh, my lips are opening. What are my teeth doing? Ah. Ah. My teeth are opening. Ah. What's my tongue doing? Ah. My tongue goes to the bottom of my mouth, just behind my bottom teeth. Ah. Let's touch our voice box. Ah. Ah. Mine's vibrating. That means it's using my voice. Ah. Now this one goes on forever too. Ah. I feel like I'm at the dentist. Ah. That is the letter A. Now let's learn our actions so that you can do it in our alphabet song. Are you ready? It goes like this. A, apple, ah. It's like I'm eating an apple. A, apple, ah. Do you think you can do it on your own? Whoa, try it one more time with me. A, apple, ah. My goodness, now let's learn some names. Now, like I told you, letters have uppercase and lowercase, or tall bears and short bears. This letter has a tall bear and a short bear. This is the uppercase A. What is this? Uppercase A. This is lowercase a. What is this? Lowercase a. Let's say it like a goblin. Ready? Uppercase A, lowercase a. Can you do it by yourself? Way to go! Can you help me sort my letters? I have to sort them from uppercase and lowercase. Let's get started. I've got my uppercase A and lowercase a all ready to go. Let's sort. Remember to say its name and sound. Uppercase A, ah. 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 Lowercase a, lowercase a, lowercase a, lowercase a, lowercase a. All right, my friends, we are going to write the letter A. Do you remember my song? You do? Let's sing it. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, start at the top, at the top. When I write a letter, practice makes it better. When I write a letter, start at the top. Is everybody ready? Get your magical wands ready. Yay! Okay, let's do uppercase A. All right, we're going to start at the top, at the skyline. Down from the skyline, touch the grass line, pick up my magical wand, start at the skyline. Down to the grass line, pick up my pencil, and go across on the mountain line. Let's do uppercase A one more time. All right, we're going to start at the top, at the skyline. Down from the skyline, touch the grass line, pick up my magical wand, start at the skyline. Down to the grass line, pick up my pencil, and go across on the mountain line. Uppercase A, let's do lowercase a. Now lowercase a is not going to start at the skyline. He is going to start at the mountain line. That is your dotted line. So get your magical wand ready. Starting at the mountain line, you're going to go around and down to the grass line, back up to the mountain and down to the grass line. Let's do it one more time. We're starting at the mountain line, around to the grass line, up to the mountain line, and down to the grass line. Way to go! I'm going to tell you a word, and I want you to tap the sounds on your Sound Monster board. Say as. Tap the sounds. Az. Did you get it? Say axe. Tap the sounds. Axe. Did you get it? Now I'm going to tell you the sounds, and I want you to slide your Sound Monster to make a word. A-g. Did you say ag? A-n. Did you say an? Great work. We have learned all about the letter A. Can you do this page on your own? If you have finished that page by yourself or with an adult and you're ready to color in A, go ahead and color in A on your map. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.